If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to ensure that the servers are up and running. If there are server issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on PUBG in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and repair any corrupted files. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 5. Adjust launch options. Open Steam, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, and in the General tab, click on Set Launch Options. Enter the command window to start the game in windowed mode, which can sometimes bypass loading issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the loading screen issue in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.